Sa next question naman natin, what is the thought process or how did you come up with this song? Should I study the
Yung mga ka-group ko sa thesis defense namin. Pero ayun, fun fact guys, this song, I wrote this song 2 years ago, before the pandemic. So, it was it was a dark time in my life when I wrote this song. So, una parang frustration lang siya, parang gusto kong magsulat ng music, gusto kong maging artist, gusto kong maging musician, ganyan. Tapos, sabi ko, sige, susulat lang ako. Kahit that time, alam ko, parang ang layo niyang dream, parang sobrang layo niyang marating na pangarap. Pero I still write the song. Tapos, yun, introduce ko, maibig ba? Pero ayun, pinroduce ko yung song, natinga siya ng matagal. Tapos, ayun, until this opportunity na nabigay sa amin na ma-produce yung Good Boy. And dati, parang sinusulat ko lang yung lyrics sa notebook, sa kwarto ko. Susulat lang ako, tapos ma-produce ko lang yung music. Tapos ngayon, lahat lang ng song, lahat lang yung na-visualize ko before. When we were filming the music video, parang andun na parang, wow, dati, nakikita ko lang sa isip ko, tapos nakikita ko na siya sa TV, nakikita ko na siya sa screen. So, ayun, the thought process was the dark times in my life nung sinusulat ko to. Tapos ngayon, nandito ako, na parang, I'm with this amazing 5 talented boys beside me. Kaya,